Hey there, experiencing issues with your Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Pro tablet? No need to worry. In this guide, we're diving into how to fix your Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Pro tablet with a few easy troubleshooting steps to get it back on track. Whether it's a pesky glitch or a software hiccup, we've got the solutions for you. Steps to pick. Step 1. Restart your device. First things first, give your tablet a quick restart. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to resolve minor glitches and improve performance. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the power options on the screen. Select Restart and wait for your device to reboot. Once it's back on, check if the issue persists. Step 2. Check for software updates. Outdated software might be causing issues, so ensure your tablet is up to date. Go to Settings and tap on Device Options. From there, select System Updates and check for any available updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your software current can often resolve compatibility issues and bugs. Step 3. Clear cache and unnecessary data. If your tablet is running sluggishly, clearing the cache and unnecessary data can help. Head to Settings and navigate to Apps and Notifications. Choose Manage All Applications and one by one, select apps you suspect might be causing issues. Tap Storage and then Clear Cache. Repeat this process for other apps as needed. This will free up space and possibly speed up your device. Step 4. Reset network settings. Sometimes connectivity issues can hinder your tablet's performance. To tackle this, go to Settings and tap on Network and Internet. Scroll down to Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. This action will reset all your network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have those handy for re-entry. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If the above solutions don't work, consider a factory reset. Please note, this should be your last resort as it will erase all your data. Before proceeding, ensure all important files are backed up. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, then Device Options, and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Follow the prompts to reset your device. Once it restarts, you'll need to set up the new tablet as if it were new. That's how to fix your Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Pro tablet. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues and get your device back to working condition. From simple restarts to more drastic factory resets, these solutions cover a range of common problems. Remember, technology can be fickle, but with the right approach, most issues are fixable. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and enjoy the seamless experience of your Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Pro tablet. And as always, prioritize keeping your data safe, regular backups. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting.